In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Samsung Galaxy A71. Let's get into the box. Now that we've got the packaging out of the way, we've got the Samsung Galaxy A71 itself. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. This device comes with Samsung's Infinity O display, a quad camera similar to their flagship models, and also super fast charging. Inside of the box, you also get Samsung branded earphones, a USB Type-C charger, and a charging brick. On the right side of the device, we can see our volume rocker and our power button. On the left side of the device, we can see the SIM card slot. On the back, we have our quad camera setup. On the bottom of the device, we have a single stereo speaker, a USB Type-C port, and a headphone jack. This phone does support super fast charging, so it outputs 3 amps. And as we can see from the brick, both sides of the cables are USB Type-C, so you'll get the fastest charging available. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video. If you guys liked the video, make sure to smash that like button and also turn bell notifications on. If you didn't like the video, go ahead and put a thumbs down and comment down below what I should do in these videos.